And our institute for anybody who wants to score 90 or at least 79.
Yeah, definitely. I mean, since I took this coaching in November last year. I had any doubts, I used to contact Sandeep sir, so he never refused, and even after so much gap after taking the course, he is willing to help and Sri Madam also. So, and whenever I was asking them to give the backup class for any class which I am not comfortable with, they were ready to help me with that also. I would recommend. Throughout the 6 months, whenever I used to ask any doubt, he used to help.
No, it's our job, Sanaulla. Thank you and wish you all the best. Thanks so much for coming.